Hey everybody, Raddad Cooks here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a basic beef grilled cheese sandwich Raddad Cooks style for dipping in tomato soup. That's right, no quail eggs, no duck bacon, none of that stuff. Starting off with good old-fashioned Wonder Bread. You want the whitest, most processed bread possible for dipping in that tomato soup. We're going to lather it up with mayonnaise on one side, get it in our cast iron pan, somewhere between 325 and 350. Toast that first side up. Once we got nice golden brown on that first side, we're gonna take it off and put butter on the second side. For cheese, we're using Velveeta. It can be kind of tricky to cut with a knife. Get a little fishing line. Whip you off a piece that's about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch thick. 2 of them should do. Now we're butter side down, toasted mayo side up. Cheese on the sandwich and cap it off. We're going to toast both sides until they're golden brown. Then we're going to finish our sandwich up in the oven at 350 degrees for 5 minutes. This is going to let that thick slice of cheese melt and get the inside nice and crispy like a crouton so it can suck up that tomato soup. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my interpretation of a basic B grilled cheese. In the future, we'll do some more turned up grilled cheeses, but nothing beats that classic grilled cheese, especially sitting on the couch, dipping it in some tomato soup. If you need a tomato soup recipe, be sure to check out my 100% vegan tomato bisque. Really good, really easy. Well, thank you guys. Peace.